It was tough in the beginning. It worked one step at a time, We started as a distributor of safety shoes. And later we added the working clothes.
Here in Amacor Trading, we look for skilled and competent employees, but more than skills, we value character.
Na maibibigay niya yung best capacity niya to perform the jobs. And isa pa sa hinahanap namin is yung may kusa.
They are all cooperative, they have teamwork, and they do overtime when needed, and they are all competent.
Okay po, may pagmamalaki naman po namin yung quality namin sa overall, sa mga tahi.
Nag-a-adjust po kami ng oras kung kinakailangan namin pumasok ng maaga, mag-early in, or mag-overtime. Kailangan namin ng mabilis na kilos. Pero pulido, kailangan pulido lagi ang gawa.
Kami rin po yung nagsisigurado na maganda yung quality ng print para po masatisfied yung mga client natin. Pero andyan po yung mga supervisors natin na tumutulong po, at saka po yung mga co-workers ko na pag wala na po silang gumagawa, tumutulong po sa akin sa production. Kaya po natatapos natin yung mga due date natin kahit gano'n po siya karami.
Kailangan hindi ako magkamali kasi pinakang sample namin yun. At kailangan mabusisi yung paggawa ko doon.
We make sure na ginagawan talaga namin ng paraan in order to satisfy the orders with their expected delivery time or schedule.
Yung same-day delivery, masarap sa pakiramdam yung na-fulfill mo yung needs ng aming mga clients. Sobrang rewarding kapag alam mong nakapagbigay ka ng magandang services at nasatisfy sila.
Then, nakikipag-cooperate din ako sa mga suppliers, like nakikiusap ako para mapagbigyan kami, lalo na sa mga rush namin.
Ma-deliver po na maayos yung delivery po para ma-meet po namin yung deadline.
Basta po, kung ano pang deliver nila sa amin na una, na priority, yun po ang i-deliver namin. On time naman po, basta po makakarating ng tama po yung item.
Inaabot din kami ng gabi sa pag-deliver dahil kailangan ng kliyente at yun naman ay ginagampanan namin.
Araw-araw ko pong ginagalingan at mas gagalingan ko pa po para po masatisfied yung mga kliyente natin.
Kailangan yung imposible, ginagawa namin posible dito.
We always ensure that we are very compassionate with our suppliers, our employees, and of course, our clients.
What sets Amacor apart from our competitors is number one, our quality. We produce the highest quality of uniforms and PPEs out there. We offer competitive pricing, and at the end of the day, we make sure that we deliver on time and we satisfy our clients' needs.
We have to be more resilient, and at the same time, we have to be dedicated to our work. Taking care of our clients and our workers, it means a lot. We have what we call Amacor family.
Para kami isang pamilya dito.
Parang pamilya na po ang turing namin, mga magtatrabaho.
Parang pamilya na po kami dito.
22 years na.
Para lang kami magkakapatid.
Masaya naman po kami rito, kaya po nagtagal ako rito.
So whatever they need and whatever guidance or problems they encounter, they go to us because we are like one happy family here.